Hello and welcome to Chapter 10, Section 4. This is a section on misleading graphs and statistics, and it has so many pictures, I am not drawing them all. Here is an example of a misleading bar graph. We have the effect of fertilizer, and you can see we have 4 plants, and it looks like the plant with the fertilizer that we're trying to sell is the absolute most fantastic, because look how much bigger the graph goes. This is a misleading graph because if you'll look at the numbers along the sides, they go up by 1 gram. 1 gram is about the weight of a paper clip. And when I'm looking at tomato plants, the difference between 1 gram between plants really absolutely not this visible. This is misleading because it makes it look like plant D is really going to be almost 3 times as big as plant B. This is a misleading line graph. Average gas prices in September. Have a look at this graph and see if you can tell me what's wrong with it. Check out the numbers on the sides. If they went up by 10 cents, all of them, that would make sense. But all these go up by 2, and then these go up by 20. So it looks like something happened in 1996 to completely skyrocket gas the way this graph is written. Here is a misleading circle graph. Can you tell me what's wrong with this? Doesn't it look like Smith got more than half the vote? Circle graphs are parts of a whole, which means all of their percentages have to equal 100%. And this absolutely does not. Check out this misleading statistic. A researcher surveys people leaving a basketball game about what they like to watch on TV. And the statement he came up with is 80% of people like to watch sports on TV. Why is it misleading? Because the sample of people that he chose to ask were leaving a basketball game. They liked basketball enough to go see it, so yeah, they're also going to like watching it on TV. Rather than asking a bunch of people he saw at a grocery store or a mall or a church or something like that. That is this section. Could you please do the exercises starting on page 729, numbers 7 through 11. That's it. Thank you much.